everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sliming Around. With who? MK. How to spell it? MK. Sliming Around with MK. Vote? So today I am making the birthday cake and frosting slime. Yeah, and this is season 1, episode 3. Trace. So, first we're gonna start off by making the birthday cake slime because I'm making a cake. So it's got like a cake themey thing. Yeah, you're gonna need a container to put it. I'm just putting it back in and I'll put it in here, but yeah. You're gonna need glue. Oh, that's heavy. Liquid starch, borax, or detergent, or you can also use cornstarch, the baking soda, and contact lens solution. You're gonna need a reddish pinkish color and a yellowish orangish color to make like a tannish pinkish color also, or tannish orangish kind of. Mixing tools, I have one for both slimes to mix, so yeah, that's one of these I'll be using. And you're gonna need bowl. I'm only gonna make a little bit because I already filled this like the top pressure, so I don't want to overfill it. So you're gonna need a bowl. Then the main ingredient for both of these slimes is colorful foam beads, and in this it's gotta be like a funfetti type. So yeah, and in the frosting will just be like sprinkles. And also in this slime and that slime too, when you're done, if you let it sit for a couple days, like a day or two, the foam beads will rise to the top, and when you crunch it down, it'll feel, it's like just so satisfying. So yeah, let's get right to the making. Sorry, my allergies are acting up. So let me see if the bowl is centered so I know that you guys can see. There. You guys can see. Sorry if it's so dark. Wait, let me put the light on. And I can't put lots of fans on. Perfect. I'm going to start out by putting a little bit of glue in the bowl. Approximate maybe like a cup or two. Maybe a little bit. That's a cup. Maybe a little less, but when you get lots of slime to make and you already made, it's like you don't need so much. Next, you're gonna take your food coloring. I'm starting with the red. I'm gonna add like 2 drops maybe. 1, 2. I'll see if that's good. Then I'm gonna add 1 of yellow. So you don't want to make an orange, you just want to make a like tannish pinkish color. More like, you're gonna try to make a tannish color, but you're gonna want to make like a off pink color. So like this color, but I might add a little more yellow to it just to make it a little lighter, because this is good, but the thing is that you're gonna try to make a off pink. This is like a bubblegum, like a off bubble. It's not a bubble gum pink, it's a bubble gum pink. One more. Oh my god, I don't want to ruin the slime, because these are one of my better slimes. These were one of my slimes I made, and I was like, wow, I actually created something people might like. Guess that's good. Now I'm gonna add my liquid starch. About like this, just a little bit. Yeah, that was so little. Oh my gosh. Hashtag LOL. You guys in the comments, right? Hashtag LOL or just LOL. Let's do it if you can, please. Let's try to get like everyone who, like, if there's like every view I get has to be how many are in there. I love when you make slime and it looks like that and it's like, ooh, it's like neat. Oh my god. It's so neat. I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. So I hate with slime videos when it's like you're trying to relax with the ASMR kind of, and it's like you can't hear. I also just don't like when you try to watch YouTube videos just to relax and like calm down or just be fun, and then they're like, yep, 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 yep. I'm like, oh my god. And I know like every single video that I do, but I try not to. I'm just a communicative, don't even know if that's a word, but person, so yeah. So you guys at school, if you watch this, you guys know, or would know. Hands are burning. Oh my god, I get 3rd degree burns. I feel bad for the people that have 3rd degree burns, because it's like, you're just playing with slime. It's just supposed to be like a fun, not a toy because it is like a toy, but you don't play like a board game with it. It isn't like a board game thing. Oh my god. That was a way too much, but the birthday cake slime, it's supposedly supposed to be thicker, even though it is supposed to be a little sticky to hold the foam beads, but it isn't, because like if it was, then it's like, it's supposed to be like the cake part. Then the icing part is supposed to be like, you know. It's supposed to be like watery. Yeah. Wait, can I wash my hands, guys, for a second? Hope you guys can see. Sorry if you can't see it very, very much, but it's hard. Now, since I got away, I actually was touching the bowl. I'm just gonna dump it back in the box. No wasting on this channel. No. If you waste, you're not allowed to watch, but stay tuned. Stay tuned. I need more subscribers. Very stretchy. It is. You guys are like, that's too thick. It's stupid. I'm like, no, not really. It's almost, you know what, this is also kind of like a frosting slime, but the actual frosting slime is more of a frosting slime. Slime. This is the birthday cake slime. This was just it's called. But I made up this thing because the frosting cake slime. Oh my god. the frosting slime, it actually is frosting slime, but it's also the type of texture it is, like, you know, cream cheese slimes, butter slimes, all different ones. Like, I made up a new texture one. Like, you know, there's like jiggly slime, fluffy slime, all the different types. I made a frosting slime, and it's one that's like, it's almost like a butter slime, like you'd stretch it like this, like you can like spread it real nice, and it's very like soft and light. But the thing is, it isn't like with butter slime, like you go like woo, and it goes woo. It's like it goes like ooh. So that's the neat part about the frosting slime. But I'll show you when I'm done. Then you're gonna take the faux beans. I'm not gonna add very much because I already have a lot in my other one. So. I'm gonna mix these, and this is birthday cake slime. Pretty simple. It's almost like regular slime, just with like a different texture wise and faux beans. So this isn't a. Sorry for the beeping. It's the washing machine or laundry, something like that. I forget. So yeah. Oh, and it isn't a full flow, but it still has that nice texture. You can make it a full flow, but I don't like it because of. Sorry about that. It's just the thing is that I just don't think of it as it. So here, let me show you. Oh. And you can see what the color's supposed to be like. But again, this was actually a bubblegum pink before. So we'll see. And I've had it also, guys, I've had this slime for a little while. That's why, because it was bubblegum pink, then it turned into this, and then it turned into like this color, this type of color. But yeah, I hope this color makes it a little brighter. Oh yeah. So that video is really long, but again, I'm doing 2 slimes in one video, so I never really did that much. I might have did it once, but since there's only gonna be a couple of videos, there's only gonna be 7 to 10. There's at least gonna be 7 videos. So there's 7 slimes, and then I'm gonna try to do 2 or 3 specials, and then like non-slime related, just like slime challenges, not like actually making slime for a review. But yeah, now we're doing the frosted cake slime. What we're gonna do is add glue. I know that's a lot, but again, I don't have very much of it, and I'm not picking favorites. It's like picking my favorite child, even though I don't have children. But the frosted cake slime, if you're sad, it's fun to make because it's like, you know, it's like bright and cheerful. Now you're gonna add a little bit of water to it to make it a little runny. I just put 1/3 of a cup because you don't want to make it a jiggly slime, but you don't want to make it actual regular slime because again, I'm making up a whole new type of texture or name slime, whatever you. It's confusing. Now I'm gonna mix red food color. Now I'm only gonna put 1 drop in it right now, because I'm trying to make again a brightish pinkish color. A little brighter than a bubblegum pink. This would be like off bubble pink color because it's a like bright bubble pink. So I'm gonna add 2 drops. 1, 2. Yeah, I used to always use acrylic paint and stuff like that, but recently I've been just using food coloring because I'm like, same thing practically. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's good. And I leave the swirls in because it gives it a little neater color. Now you're gonna add your liquid starch, I believe. Yeah. I was like, wait, what? Wait, am I missing a step? Phew, I didn't get it. That always scares the poop out, the pup. When people say poop, out of me. Ooh, I love this. It's like the part when it's like thick, but it's like, no, it isn't ready yet. I know I added like a lot, but I'm trying to make this go a little faster. I think I'm gonna go in it soon. Oh my God. I hope you guys can see it, please. I hope you guys can see it. I'm like, this video is weird. Here, I'm gonna see if you guys can see. Cause this is like neat. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, I'll push this up. Right there, see? That's the color I'm gonna get to. Look at my hand, it's like, I'm gonna have to like wash this off when I'm done with this slime, cause I would be like, subscribe! Subscribe! I love this moment, cause it's so neat. It's very stretchy. And you're like, should I leave it like this or is it too sticky? Like, do I want it to be sticky or do I want it to be thick? Both. That's my thumbs up with slime on my hand. Tell me if you guys would like one of the episodes in season 1 do with any of my, like, if I have any guests. And if you do, comment below people I should have on my channel again. Because I want Tori and Ari to be on my channel again. Because I already said to them they want to be on it so bad, but every time they're over, they don't want to do it. But then when they're not over, I also always want to do it. But they have slime at their house, but I don't think they ever actually made it. Their friends gave it to them. They just have one. This slime is perfect. Sorry, I have my phone there. Let's see who that is. Gotta hurry up a little bit because if my dad comes home, then he'll interrupt the video or episode. I call it episodes for this because it's like a TV show kind of, but it isn't on the TV. It's like a YouTube show. think that's good. Put this over here, I guess. I might end up adding a little bit more liquid starch just because it's a little sticky. Yeah, I'll do it. That's good. Not perfect. That's good. Now you're just gonna take your foam beads, add it in. Look how much I got left. I don't really got that much left, but it's better than none at least. That's what you'd say. Now this what the fun part is about these. Fold the foam beads in the slime. I feel like that isn't hung yet. And there. Add this slime to this slime here. There. The slime that I made before for like the sample to show you guys and stuff, it's like darker than this color. I wanted to do it a little darker, but it actually looks neat because now it looks swirly. Let me see who this is. Comment below what style was better. Birthday cake slime. Or frosting slime. There. Sorry that this episode was longer, but 2 slimes, 1 video. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching it, and comment below what's your favorite subject in school, and tell me if you're out of school yet, because I am. I was out so far for a week. So comment below those 2 things if you would like, and bye! Make sure you watch the next episode. I did 2 videos before, and bye! Peace on the streets.